The PS5 will be profitable next month, and Uncharted 4 is coming to PC. It's a good thing Uncharted 4 coming to PC because I never play Uncharted because I didn't have any PS to play, any PlayStation to play Uncharted, and I would like to play Uncharted and The Last of Us and Shadow of the Colossus. And I never played those games, because I don't have the opportunity to buy a PS for me. And now with the PS5, I can buy this game and play these games, because when the PS5 will be available on the market be and it to be affordable to me to buy, okay? But I already bought a PS5 controller. I don't have yet a PS5 to play with, but I'm playing with this controller on my Nitro 5. And let's go to the clip. Here we can see that in February, Sony revealed it was selling the PS5 at a loss. But that's imminently about to change. The PS5 should hit break-even in June and become profitable the very same month, according to the presentation the company shared with investors PDF during Investors Day. Needless to say, that fast happened before the company has even managed to catch up with demand. In the midst of a global chip shortage, we bemoaned the needless drama of buying a PS5 just a day ago. PS5 Standard Edition is expected to break even next month. PS5 cost of goods, AV wholesale price. Okay. Hmm. Okay. It will be less than what this cost. Strange. Mind you, this is for the standard PS5, the one where Sony has to supply a 4K Ultra HD Blu-ray drives and pay as much as $8 per console in license fees, and charge you an extra $100 at rental. It's not clear if Sony's driverless PS5 digital edition is more or less profitable. Profitability isn't the only intriguing disclosure in Sony's presentation, though. Buried in the filing is the excellent news that the incredible game is coming to PC. The previously PS4 and PS5 exclusive Uncharted 4, a Thief End, a blockbuster action game that we loved enough to write about, spoiler-free and multiple spoiler etc. So that's very nice, me, because I can buy Uncharted 4 Thieves and play on my PC, and I can use my PS5 controller on my PC, and I can play Uncharted for the first time. It will be Uncharted 4 at the first time, but it will be Uncharted 4. I never played this. Off console, okay, off console. Horizon Zero Dawn. Okay, more PC release plans. Days Gone and Uncharted 4. Days Gone is already available to buy, and I didn't buy yet because I have a lot of games to play. But when it release Uncharted 4, I will see how the price is coming, and I will see if have it is affordable to buy. Okay. So that's it. If you want to see me playing games, I have already streamed for 2 weeks every day in my Twitch channel. My Twitch channel is here. Let me put me here. My Twitch channel is here. G-Tag Gameplay. Go there and watch me play and talk to me there. Okay? And